Hi, I'm Will Komar, and welcome to Study Hall Chemistry, presented by Arizona State University and Crash Course. The world is built on chemistry. It's in the medicines we take, the air we breathe, and the food we cook. Life is possible because of the relationships between the tiniest of particles, and we humans participate in life-giving chemical processes like cellular respiration all the time. Chemistry reveals the connections between us and the reactions that drive change in the world in a pretty amazing way. But it is a subject that can be a stumbling block for some of us. It's well known for being complicated and full of weird rules. And sure, there's a lot to remember and it can definitely become overwhelming. But overwhelming doesn't mean impossible. So, whether you're new to chemistry or have taken a few classes on it before, this 15-episode series will bring some clarity to the subject, and also some excitement and fun. We'll walk through the difficult bits at our own pace and point out some hacks to make things seem less intimidating. Besides, we all have the ability to be great at chemistry because humans are wired to seek new ideas, problem solve, and find connections between things. Chemistry relies on all of this, and the way to master it is to tap into these qualities and use them for our advantage. In this series, we'll make our way through a lot of the foundational topics of chemistry, especially the ones that are famous for being challenging. In the first half, we'll cover the different kinds of chemical reactions, as well as how to balance them. We'll debunk alchemy, learn to predict products, and find a solution for making great sweet tea. We'll use some funky ion vision glasses to talk about ionic equations, and we'll take an in-depth look at the mole. These are our keys to the rest of chemistry, and once we're more familiar with them, we can use them to unlock more complex material. The second half of this series will apply these key subjects to things like stoichiometry and acid-base relationships. We'll tell you how these chemicals work so we can build our understanding of chemistry instead of just memorizing formulas. Throughout the episodes, we'll also examine where we see examples of chemistry in real life. Like I mentioned, the world is built on chemistry, so we have to know how it works outside the classroom. Human-centered chemistry, especially when it involves the environment, will often come into play as we go. We all have a responsibility to understand and contribute to the world around us, and learning about the impact we make can empower us to make positive changes. So join me for our first episode, Chemical and Physical Change. See y'all there. Thanks for watching Study Hall Chemistry, which is produced by Arizona State University and the Crash Course team at Complexly. If you like this video and want to keep learning with us here in Study Hall, be sure to subscribe. You can learn more about ASU and the videos produced by Crash Course in the links in the description.